Introducing Coverlay Manufacturing, an American company providing high-quality, affordable, and easy-to-install auto interior replacement parts since 1982. Our vacuum-molded parts, made from durable ABS plastic, ensure a perfect fit and quick installation. Upgrade your car's interior effortlessly with our custom-molded dash covers, kick panels, door panels, armrests, inserts, and instrument covers. Choose from a variety of colors to express your style. Experience the difference of American-made quality and live customer service ready to assist you. Upgrade your vehicle with Coverlay Manufacturing today. Visit our website for more information. Coverlay, meeting your needs, exceeding your expectations.